Hi everyone, today we're going to be making this vintage bag and topper. Okay, so we need a 12 by 6 designer series paper, and we're going to be scoring at 5.5, 6.5 along the long edge, turn to the short edge, and we're scoring at 1 and 5 inches. Then we're going to fold and burnish. Don't do this too hard because if we go too hard we could tear the paper, so we're going to be careful not to do that. I've already cut up the score lines because I did a video just now for that bag I've just shown you, and my phone decided to stop, so I'm trying to do this as quick as I can. So we're going to fold and burnish all the edges, and then we're going to cut up to the score line and take a wedge just out of one of the sides. I'm going to use fast fuse for this to stick it together, because I do think that using a liquid glue on paper makes it a bit, makes it a little bit wishy-washy. It sort of disintegrates, and I don't want to do that for the video. So we're doing the 2 flaps, and we're doing 2 of the side pieces. So we've put the flaps together, stuck those to the sides. We're going to bring the box down and just adhere that together like that. Same on this side, just line that up, and that is your bag. What we're going to do very quickly is distress that on the edges with some crumb cake ink. I've used a sponge here that I bought from the pound shop, and I've literally just cut it into quarters. I think there was 6 in a pack, so it's very cheap doing it that way. I think I have got the Stampin' Up daubers, but this is just as good. I know we shouldn't say, but it is. Now obviously I would distress this as well, but again, for the speed of the video, for cutting out on me, I'm going to just do the one side. Now gently pinch the top of this bag together, just so you've got a natural bit going down the sides. I don't want to crease it all the way down, and I'm using the crocodile. I found that the actual punches, handheld little punches, don't go through. So what I've done, excuse me, I've used the crocodile and I've punched through, and I'm just threading some ribbon through the front to the back, and now the back round to the front. So that's my ribbon. I'm going to set that aside for a second, and I'm going to bring in the tag topper. What I've done is I've punched the top part of the tag topper. If you haven't got a tag topper punch, excuse me, I'm sorry, then I would simply just snip off the ends and punch a little hole in that, and you can quite easily thread your ribbon or your linen thread through, like I'm going to do. I'm going to tie a knot in this, and I'm then going to distress the edges. So again, we've got some ink. And we're distressing all around, which gives us our tag quite nicely there. And as you can see, what I've done is I've already cut out from using the Petite Petals and the Itty Bitty Banner punch 3 of each of the flowers, and I've gone ahead and I've popped some pearls in the middle of them. I just stick the end of this pokey tool into a foam board like that, and that'll give you your sort of shape of your flower. Pop your pearl in the middle and get some glue dots. Pop it on the back. And last one for the big ones. I've used smaller pearls for the little flowers. There we go, that's your tag. So bring your paper bag back in and quite simply thread your ribbon through the linen thread. I'm not very good at tying bows, but I'll give it a go here. Not too bad. And there we have it. Vintage bag with your vintage tag. I hope you like it. I'm sorry that my camera kept cutting out on me, but here they are. Hope you give it a try, and I hope you enjoy making it. Bye bye.